Good morning, children. Welcome back to our mathematics online class.
Ma'am, we have
Very good morning, children. Very good morning, ma'am. Very good morning, children. A very good morning to all of you, children. In last class, we completed patterns. Now we are moving to the very interesting chapter, which is nothing but numbers. Children, you already learned numbers in previous classes. Okay. Our new chapter is numbers. So today we are going to learn numbers till 100. Okay. You learn orally in previous year. In UKG you learned till how many numbers you learned, ma? Till 500 you learn. But with spellings, today we are going to learn till 100. Okay, children? So today chapter 11 numbers we are going to start. Yeah, children, before going to start the class, here you learn numbers 1 to 50 already. Okay, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When coming to 10, how we are writing? We are making a bundle there. We are making a bundle of 10 sticks or bundle of 10 things. This is called 10. Bundle of 10. Now, suppose if I want to write bundle of 20. 20 I want to write in terms of bundles. So then how we will write? We will do, there we will make 2 bundles there. So this is 20. Okay, children. So like that, suppose if I want 40, 4 bundles we have to draw. If we want 50, how many bundles we have to draw? We need to draw 5 bundles there. Okay, children. So like that, today we are going to learn the numbers from 51 to 100. Yeah, children, see here. Here how many bundles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 bundles. And how many sticks you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 bundles means how much, ma? 40. And here 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So here the number is 45. Next. So now let us do the problems here. So now all of you open your textbook page number 117. Page number 117. All of you open your textbook ma, page number 117. 117. So you write there along with me. Now here you have how many bundles ma here? How many bundles you have here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 bundles means in tens place we have to write 3. How many ones you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in ones place we have to write 4. So what is the number? Vignesh, tell me ma, what is the number here? What is the number here?
what, ma'am?
Here, what is the number you have? Here you have 3 tens, 4 ones. What is the number?
34.
Very good. The number is 34. Next. Here we have how many bundles here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So where we have to write this 4? In which place we have to write? Tens or ones? How many? Here what we have? Here we have tens. So how many tens here we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write tens in 4 tens in tens. And how many ones you have? Calculate them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones we have. So then what is the number here, Shanvita? Shanvita, what is the number here? 4, 6. What is it?
46, ma'am.
Very good. It is 46. Next. Here we have, let us see how many ones we have. Check it, ma. So, how many tens you have here? Hetan Sri? Hetan Sri. Unmute yourself, ma.
2, ma'am. 2, ma'am.
So, how many tens you have here? 2 tens you have. How many ones you have? How many ones you have?
Yes, ma'am, teacher.
Once again, repeat it.
0, 0.
Oh, so in ones place we have to write 0. Then what is the number?
20.
20. Very good. 20. Now here, what we have to do is we have to draw bundles at once. The number is given for us. What is the number given for us? Varun Chari? What is the
43,
number?
ma'am.
43. So how many bundles you have to draw? How many bundles you have to draw?
4, ma'am.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bundles we have to draw. How many ones you have to draw here, Paranchari? How many ones?
3, 6.
See here
3,
and tell.
6,
Paranchari,
Yes,
how many ones you have to draw here?
3, 6.
3 or 6? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 sticks we have to draw. So then what is the number here? In tens
43.
place, we have to write 4 and in ones place we have to write 3. So the number is 43. Very good. Akshaya? Akshaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here what is the number you have, ma?
22, ma'am.
22. So how many bundles you have to draw?
2, ma'am.
2. So 1, 2. We have to draw 2 bundles. And how many sticks?
2, ma'am.
2. 1, 2. So we have to draw 2 bundles and 2 sticks. So then in tens place what we have to write? In tens place we have to write 2 and in ones place we have to write 2. So the number is 22. Is it clear, children? Did you complete it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. She's. Unmute yourself. Yes. Here, how many tens you have?
1.
T. How many tens you have here? Count.
5.
5. So here you have 5 tens. How many ones you have?
1.
1. Then what is the number there?
51.
51. The number is 51. Very good. Next. Akshay. Akshay. Akshay Talari.
Yes, teacher.
Here tell me ma, how many tens you have here? Count and tell. Yes. 6 tens you have. And how many ones you have here? 4. 4 ones. So then what is the number here? 64. Very good. So all of you write it in your textbook, ma. Next. Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
So here, how many tens you have here? Count it, ma. 1.
7 tens and
How many tens you have here?
Supra.
7.
7 tens you have. And how many ones you have?
3,
Say it.
ma'am.
3. Yes. So then what is the number here? 73. Very good. Next. Tanush. Tanush. Unmute yourself, ma.
Yes, madam.
So here, count the tens and tell me how many tens you have here. How many bundles you have here? Count. Do you have textbook with you? Count, ma. How many are there? 1, 2.
6 and
How many tens you have, Tanush?
6, madam.
Very good. 6 tens you have. And count ones. How many ones you have? Single sticks. Count single sticks.
ఇవన్నీ కౌంట్ అయ్యా అయినా
How many are there? Count and say.
ఇవన్నీ
1. Here see 1. Next.
6, madam.
Very good. So what is the number here? What is the number here?
67 66 and
66.
66.
Very good. 66. Very good, ma. Harsha? Harsha?
Yes, teacher.
Here, how many tens you have? How many ones you have? Tell me, ma. Count and say.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones.
8?
8 tens, teacher.
8 tens. So write 8 in tens box. How many ones you have?
No ones because it is 0.
Very good. So what is the number?
80.
Very good, Harsha. 80. Next. Sanika? Unmute yourself, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me, ma, here how many tens you have? How many ones you have? Count and say. How many tens you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So where we have to write 9? Where we have to write 9? Where? 9 tens box we have to write. So 9 tens. How many ones you have?
9 ones, ma'am.
Check it once properly. See the textbook. How many ones? Ones. Single sticks. 1 means single stick. How many are there?
9, ma'am.
Ones, ma, not tens. Here, this is the single stick you have. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, ma'am.
Sainika, 9 tens you have. See here, listen to me. See the screen, ma. Listen to me here. These are bundles, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bundles you have. Bundle means 10. Single stick. Single stick. Very good. So, 1 only we have. 1 stick only we have. So, what is the number?
91.
Very good. 91. Don't get confused. Okay, listen carefully and say the answer. Next. Harinya. Harinya.
Yes, ma'am.
Seema, here see the picture and tell me how many tens you have, how many ones you have. If you have textbook, you can count in that. Otherwise, you can see the screen. See, 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So how many tens you have?
9.
9. Now count once. Here, see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many ones you have?
9.
9 ones. Then what is the number here?
90.
90? 99. Very good. Next, Advait Nayak. Advait Nayak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now tell me, ma, here, see the picture and how many tens you have, how many ones you have.
7 tens and 4 ones.
Very good. What is the number?
74.
Excellent, ma. 74 is the number. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next. Jnanasri. So, we completed some problems given in the textbook. Now we are going to learn the numbers from 51 to 70. Okay? Jnanasri? So, in first, what we have? How many tens you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 1, 1. Then it is 51. Jnanasri, now tell me, 5 tens you have. To get 52, how many ones you have to draw? How many ones you have to draw, ma?
500.
Here, 5 tens you have. And how many ones you have to draw here? To get 52? Say louder.
2, ma'am.
2 ones. So, 1, 2. So, it is 52. 5 tens, 2 ones, 52. Next. Kamakshi?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, here the given number is 53. And for us, 3 ones are given for us. How many tens you have to draw?
5 tens.
5 tens. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to draw 5 tens here. Very good, ma. Vikshit Sai? Vikshit Sai.
Yes, ma'am.
Here we have 54. The number is 54. Here we have 5 tens. How many ones we have to draw?
4.
1,
4, ma'am.
2,
1, 2,
3, 4.
Two.
4 ones we have to draw. Very good, ma.
4, ma'am.
Purvesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we have 5 tens and 5 ones. Then what is the number? 5 tens, 5 ones. What is the number? Say louder.
55.
Very good.
55.
Is 55. Very good, ma. Next. Ashish Kumar? Ashish Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Here we don't have any number and we don't have tens also. So by seeing this, here it is given for us 5 tens.
5 tens, ma'am.
Yes.
5
So
tens.
5 tens we have to draw here.
Five.
Okay.
5. 5.
So,
55.
very good. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wait, Ashish Kumar, you said wrong there. 5 tens, okay. How many ones you have here? How many ones you have here? One.
5.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones you have. It is given for us. Check it down. 5, 10, 6 ones. What is the number here?
51, ma'am. 56. 56.
56 is the required number. Okay, ma. Next. Ashish Kumar. Priyanjal Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you have 5 tens and 7 ones. Then what is the number, ma? Count. 5 tens means?
7. 57, ma'am.
Excellent, ma. The number is 57. Raju. B. Raju. I think there is no Raju. What is your name, ma? Say louder. You are not audible. You are not audible. Your voice is not coming. Hakina. Hakina, unmute yourself. Hakina, unmute yourself. Hansini. Hansini, unmute yourself, ma. Yes. Now tell me, here you have 5 tens. How many ones you have to draw to get 58? How many ones you have to draw? Here, check it, ma. The number what? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to
నాది
draw
అయిపోతే మనం వెళ్ళే వాళ్ళమే కానీ
8 ones.
నాది అయిపోదుగా ఇది ఒక్కటైతే
Your parents, someone is talking, please keep quiet. Yes. Next. Bhavyasri. Bhavyasri. Yes, ma. Here the number is 59. We have 5 tens. How many ones you have to draw?
ఎన్ని స్టిక్స్ అట్లా డ్రా చేయాలంటుంది మేడం చెప్పు మేడం ఎన్ని స్టిక్స్ డ్రా చేయాలి ఇక్కడ
Here 59 is the number. So 5 tens already we have. How many ones we have to draw? Here it is given. See here. How many ones you have to draw here? See here, ma. 9. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to draw 9 sticks here. So 5 tens, 9 ones, we will get 59. Now here we have 5 tens and 1 10. So 5 plus 1, how much, ma? It is 60. We will get 60 there. Now Sai Sahasra will say the answer. So here 6 tens and 1 1, it is 61. Now Sai Sahasra, read this, ma, second one. How many tens are there? How many ones are there? Then what is the number? Tell me. How many tens are there?
6 bundles.
6 bundles means 6 tens. How many single sticks?
2.
So 2 ones. So 6 tens, 2 ones. What is the number?
62.
Yes, very good. It is 62. So it is 62. Next. Ankit bhai. Next, Ankita. Ankita. Tell me, ma. Here, how many tens are there? How many ones are there?
Thank you.
See here. Bundles. Count the bundles here. 1.
1, 2,
Hmm,
3,
hmm,
4,
hmm,
5,
hmm.
6.
6. So then how many ones are there? Ones. Count. 1.
1, 2, 3.
What is the number here? Say once
3
again.
teacher.
डब्बा मासा नंबर से
Number. What is the number?
हाँ होते हाँ ब्लैक काय नंबर से
6 tens, 3 ones. What is it? 60?
16.
63. 63. Yeah, the number is 63. Next. Yeah. Then what is the number here, ma? 60?
69.
Very good. It is 69. Very good, ma. Next. Likita? Yeah. Here 6 tens and 1 10. We can say that it is 70. 6 plus 1, 7. So 7 tens means it is 70. Now we are going to learn numbers from 71 to 90. Yeah, children, you have class. I think so again. One more class. The time is up. That's all for today's class. We will continue this class now. We will continue this in the next class. Okay, children? Complete the work and send it to me. Have a nice day, ma.